Seniors, tired of chronic fatigue, battling memory loss, and fearing dementia or Alzheimer's? Want to reclaim a sharper mind, boost your heart health, and infuse every day with vibrant energy? Ancient Japanese doctors had a secret for longevity: Shilajit. Imagine a potent, tar-like resin that seeps from high-altitude mountains, formed over centuries from decomposed plant matter and minerals. At its core is fulvic acid, a powerful compound that dramatically increases the absorption and efficacy of its 84 trace minerals. But here's the critical warning: 90% of Shilajit out there is fake or ineffective. Stick around, because choosing the right kind is essential for safety and results. You don't want to miss our guide to spotting authentic Shilajit. So, what exactly are the 5 most crucial benefits that this ancient Japanese secret can dramatically bring you after 60? Let's dive in. Unstoppable energy and stamina. Combating chronic fatigue. Do you constantly find yourself battling the afternoon slump, or struggling to find the energy for activities you once loved? This isn't just normal aging. Shilajit offers a profound solution by addressing the very root of chronic fatigue: your cell's mitochondria. These are the tiny powerhouses responsible for generating ATP, your body's primary energy currency. Shilajit, particularly its high concentration of fulvic acid, acts like a mitochondrial booster. It helps your cells absorb vital nutrients more efficiently, directly feeding these energy factories. This isn't a caffeine-like jolt. It's a deep, sustained cellular energy that builds over time. Imagine feeling that same level of deep, sustained energy, allowing you to enjoy your hobbies, stay active with grandchildren, or simply navigate your day without feeling constantly depleted. You're not just masking fatigue. You're revitalizing your very being from the inside out, effectively battling chronic fatigue at its source for improved senior vitality. Razor-sharp brain power, memory, and potential against dementia and Alzheimer's. Are you noticing moments of brain fog or struggling to recall names? Cognitive decline is a significant concern for many seniors. Shilajit offers remarkable support for brain health. Its fulvic acid component is exceptional at crossing the blood-brain barrier, delivering crucial nutrients directly to brain cells and helping to remove waste products. Modern research has shown Shilajit's potential to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major culprits in age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. It's like a natural, powerful tune-up for your most vital organ, offering a proactive defense against the cognitive challenges of aging. Stronger bones, flexible joints, and connective tissue health for enhanced mobility. As we age, our bones can become more fragile, and joints often stiffen. Shilajit is a rich source of bioavailable minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. But it's about Shilajit's ability to enhance their absorption. Fulvic acid ensures these critical nutrients reach your bones more effectively than simply taking a standalone supplement. Shilajit also boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce systemic inflammation, which is often a root cause of joint pain and stiffness. By calming inflammation, it supports the health of cartilage and connective tissues, leading to greater joint flexibility and reduced discomfort. Revitalized drive, hormonal balance, and mood enhancement. Many seniors experience a natural decline in libido, energy, and mood. Shilajit is truly a game-changer here. For men, clinical studies have shown it can significantly increase testosterone levels. For women, Shilajit acts as an adaptogen, helping to balance the endocrine system, which can positively impact mood, energy, and hormonal well-being. Beyond the physical, Shilajit's ability to enhance energy production and reduce inflammation can also have a profound impact on mood. When you're feeling more energetic and physically comfortable, your mental outlook naturally improves. It helps mitigate the effects of stress on the body, promoting a sense of calm and resilience. Cardiovascular health and blood sugar support. Heart disease and blood sugar imbalances are growing concerns for seniors. Shilajit offers multiple avenues of support for your cardiovascular system. Its antioxidant properties protect the heart from oxidative damage, and its ability to improve cellular energy extends to heart muscle cells. Furthermore, Shilajit has been shown to help regulate blood lipid profiles, potentially reducing bad LDL cholesterol. For blood sugar, fulvic acid may enhance insulin sensitivity, helping your body utilize glucose more effectively, which is critical for preventing or managing type 2 diabetes. The precise Japanese method for taking Shilajit. The ancient Japanese understood that how you take Shilajit is as important as simply consuming it. Their meticulous approach was designed to maximize its bioavailability and integrate it seamlessly into a lifestyle of longevity. Here's their precise approach, now validated by modern science, for unlocking its full potential. Dosage. Start low, go slow. This is perhaps the most crucial first step, a principle now widely practiced in modern supplement protocols. Begin with a very small amount, roughly the size of a grain of rice, or about 100 to 200 milligrams, once a day. Observe how your body responds over the first week. If well tolerated, you can gradually increase to a pea-sized amount, or up to 300 milligrams, perhaps twice a day. This slow, gradual approach is not only safer, but allows your body to gently adapt and fully utilize the potent compounds. Clinical studies on Shilajit often follow this exact method to maximize benefits while minimizing potential side effects. Morning ritual. Ancient Japanese practitioners strongly recommended taking Shilajit first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because your digestive system is rested and free from competing foods, allowing for maximum absorption. This is a practice that modern nutritional science fully supports, as an empty stomach allows the fulvic acid to rapidly bind with and transport the vital minerals into your bloodstream without hindrance. Dissolve it completely in about half a cup of warm water, herbal tea like green tea, or even warm milk. This morning ritual is key for starting your day with boosted cellular energy and clarity. Consistency is key. Unlike many supplements that offer a temporary effect, Shilajit's profound benefits are cumulative. The ancient Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement applies here. Daily, consistent intake, integrated into your morning routine, is essential for allowing its minerals and fulvic acid to build up in your system. Researchers have found that sustained, long-term use is what fortifies your cells, optimizes your bodily functions, and truly makes a monumental impact on your health over weeks and months. Think of it as a daily investment in your cellular health and long-term vitality. Pair with mindful movement. To truly supercharge its energizing and restorative effects, ancient Japanese wisdom suggests pairing Shilajit intake with gentle, mindful movement. Think a leisurely morning walk outdoors, incorporating the breathwork of Tai Chi, the flowing movements of Qigong, or even simple stretching and yoga. This isn't just a coincidence. Modern science has proven that these practices enhance blood circulation and oxygen flow, allowing Shilajit's potent compounds to reach every cell in your body more effectively, promoting both physical and mental harmony and reducing stagnation. This synergy amplifies Shilajit's ability to boost energy and clarity, making it a holistic approach to wellness. The critical warning: how to spot authentic Shilajit. This is perhaps the most crucial section of this entire video. The market is regrettably flooded with fake, diluted, or even dangerously contaminated Shilajit. This isn't just ineffective, it can be genuinely harmful. Purity checklist. Demand transparency regarding the source. Look for Shilajit from reputable high-altitude regions like the Himalayas, Altai, or the Caucasus. Third-party lab testing. This is your non-negotiable gold standard for safety and efficacy. Only choose brands that provide recent third-party lab tests. Appearance and texture test. Authentic Shilajit resin is a deep, dark brown to jet black. It's sticky and softens significantly when warmed by your body heat, like by holding it between your fingers. Solubility test. Genuine Shilajit resin should dissolve completely in warm water, leaving no gritty sediment or plant matter behind. Smell and taste test. Authentic Shilajit has a distinct, earthy, slightly bitter, and often pungent smell and taste. If it smells like chemicals or plastic, it's a major red flag. Who should avoid Shilajit? This is a vital section to pay attention to. Shilajit is potent, and certain conditions or medications mean it's not for everyone. If you have hemochromatosis, an iron overload condition, Shilajit is contraindicated, as it is rich in iron and can exacerbate the condition. Individuals with sickle cell, anemia, or thalassemia should also avoid it or consult a specialist. It is best avoided during pregnancy or breastfeeding due to a lack of scientific research on its safety. If you suffer from low blood pressure, Shilajit can have a hypotensive effect, so consult your doctor, especially if you're on blood pressure medication. For those with active heart disease or a rapid heart rate, while generally heart supportive, if you have an active heart condition or experience tachycardia, you must consult your cardiologist. Above all, always consult your doctor. This cannot be stressed enough for senior health. If you are on any prescription medications, have any pre-existing health conditions, or are unsure, speak with your healthcare provider before starting Shilajit. It can interact with certain drugs and may not be suitable for every senior. By making smart choices about your Shilajit, ensuring its absolute purity, and using it with the wisdom that ancient Japanese doctors prescribed, you can actively protect your energy, sharpen your brain, strengthen your body, and boost your overall vitality well into your golden years. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried authentic Shilajit before? And what were your experiences? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip for senior health and healthy aging. Here's to staying strong, sharp, and vibrant with the wisdom of the ancients on your side.